The DTCC released a report on unified data frameworks for digital assets, and if you've been paying attention, this is big. It's more proof that digital assets aren't just some niche experiment anymore. They're moving straight into the financial mainstream. And so why does this matter for XRP? The entire goal is to connect blockchain networks with traditional banking rails. And what's XRP's whole purpose? Bridging that exact gap. This is the kind of infrastructure that XRP was built to thrive on. Right now, blockchain systems are all over the place. Disjointed, inefficient, and lack the infrastructure that banks need to trust them. And that's one of the biggest reasons that mass adoption's been so slow. For XRP, its ability to move money instantly across borders is already a massive advantage. But until now, banks have struggled to integrate that speed into their existing workflow. When the DTCC's framework makes blockchain transactions seamlessly flow into traditional banking systems, XRP's strengths get supercharged. And here's another key piece: standardized data governance. Compliance has been a massive question mark for a long time, but with the right infrastructure in place, that roadblock starts to fade. When those regulatory barriers finally drop, the floodgates are going to open. Institutions that have been cautiously observing from the sidelines are ready to jump in, and Ripple, with its banking partnerships already established, isn't just ready, it's first in line to benefit and leverage the XRP ledger to provide a solution. The DTCC's report makes one thing crystal clear, and it's what we've been saying all along. These unified systems don't just make transactions smoother, they improve overall market liquidity, and that's huge. For XRP to function as a true bridge for global payments, it needs deep liquid markets. The more seamlessly assets can move across markets, the stronger XRP's position becomes as the go-to for cross-border transactions. The DTCC also touches on democratizing access to capital, and that aligns perfectly with XRP's goal of making cross-border finance available to underserved markets. There's a ton of people worldwide that are currently excluded by high fees and slow systems. And this is how we can see XRP take its place as part of the new financial infrastructure that connects traditional and digital worlds. That's always been Ripple's vision. As smart contract capabilities expand on the XRP ledger, the enhanced data linking described by the DTCC creates even more possibilities beyond simple payments. Real-world asset tokenization is coming, and XRP could serve as the perfect bridge currency for transactions involving those tokenized assets. XRP's settlement speed is unmatched for that use case. What we're witnessing right now is the creation of institutional-grade rails that digital assets need to move from speculative tools to functional financial instruments. XRP was really built for this moment. The financial establishment isn't just experimenting anymore. They're building the infrastructure that XRP needs to fulfill its role. The FOMO is real for banks right now, and some banks are starting to move forward, while others are going to have no choice but to follow. The risk of being late to the game now is greater than the risk of entry. For the first time, we're seeing the infrastructure gap close. Ripple has positioned XRP for this exact moment, and what's happening now is validation of that vision. The DTCC is sending a sign that the financial establishment is building the exact infrastructure that XRP needs to fulfill its promise. The financial system isn't replacing blockchain, it's integrating with it. And that's extremely bullish for XRP, for tokenization, and for the future of digital finance.